Hi guys, welcome to weekly Forex forecast for the 5th of May. My name is Andrew Rishaneski. I'm a technical analyst at AAFX trading company, and as usual begin our forecast with the Euro USD currency pair. As you can see from the chart, the Euro is trading in the consolidation, and we need to highlight a new level of resistance. It's 1.0934, 1.0943. If we take a look at our volumetric chart for the euro, you see that this level contains pretty large volume, and this level has stopped the growth of the price, and now it continues trading inside this range. Also, if we take a look at the left, we see that huge volume is concentrated in this consolidation, so that it means that big players are getting positions here, and after the breakout of the boundaries of this consolidation, we will see a beginning of the local trend. So that's why we need to consider opening any positions only after the breakout of this range. Given the strong uptrend, of course, long positions should be in priority, so because it's not the best idea to trade against the trend. So we can open long positions after a confident breakout of the level of resistance, and then after the fixation of the price above it, we open long positions and wait for further growth of the price. Stop loss should be set below the breakout volumetric bar, and the first target is 1.1000. So for the euro, long positions are still in priority, and of course we can open and can consider opening short positions only in the case of a very strong bearish impulse down, and this fixation of the price below this consolidation. So in such case we can consider opening short positions, and our target will be the lower boundary of this gap. But really I still prefer long positions because of the strong uptrend. The pound has finally broken out the consolidation, and now the uptrend continues. You see the growth of the price, but unfortunately if we take a look at our volumetric chart for the pound, you see that the growth was smooth, and the volume during this growth, this move, was medium. So unfortunately you see that we cannot highlight any new level or zone that can be used as a place for setting our stop losses. So unfortunately now we have a good scenario because we are 100% sure that the price will go up, but unfortunately we do not have a good place for stop losses. It enables us to enter the market now. So we need to wait for the creation of new support. So if we have a little correction of the price, and then the creation of new level of support here, so concentration of volume here, and then a strong rebound of the price from this level and a further growth, we can open long positions with a stop loss set below this new level of support. And the second scenario for the pound is further consolidation, or maybe a little smooth correction of the price, and then strong bullish momentum on large volume. In such case we also can set stop loss below the beginning of this strong volumetric growth and enter the market, open long positions for the pound. So for the pound only long positions should be considered. The yen. Now the yen is unfortunately is trading in the consolidation too, near the level of resistance 111.56, 111.70. This level has stopped the growth of the price, and besides it, you see that it is a local maximum so it only strengthens the role of this level. Also, we need to highlight that the growth of the price was stopped twicely by strong bearish momentums here, so it puts under the question the further growth of the price. If we look at our volumetric chart, you see that huge volume is concentrated in this range, so the situation here is pretty common to the euro situation. It seems like big players are getting their positions here, and after the breakout of the boundaries of the consolidation, we will see a strong trend, a strong local trend. So until that, we shouldn't open any deal for the yen. Also, if we take a look at the chart, you see that we have a really strong uptrend, so that long positions should be in priority. We can enter the market after a strong bullish momentum and the breakout of the level of resistance, and then after a smooth correction of the price and small volume, we enter the market, open long positions, and then wait for further growth of the price. A stop loss should be set below the breakout volumetric bar. The potential of the deal is around 120 pips. Of course, the same as for the euro, we can consider short positions only after a strong bearish momentum and the breakout of the lower boundary of the consolidation. But still, I think that long positions are the most possible scenario for the yen. That's why I prefer to consider purchases for this instrument. And our last instrument is gold. You see that situation here is pretty common to the yen and euro situation. The price is trading in the consolidation, and now it is in the level of resistance 1266.20, 1268.00. Also, we need to highlight that this level has been already tested by the price, and then but the price failed to broke it out, and then we had a smooth fall of the price, and then once again a growth of the price. So you see that the price failed both to continue growing and to fall down further. So from the side of price action, it makes the situation pretty complicated. One more interesting thing is a strong concentration of the volume in this level. You see that huge volume at the bottom of this consolidation, and at the top also we have a strong level of resistance. So for the gold situation is rather difficult, and that's why we should and we can consider two scenarios for trading this instrument. The first one is the further consolidation of the price, then strong bullish momentum and the breakout of the level of resistance, the final breakout of this level, and after a smooth correction of the price, we open long positions and wait for further growth of the price. The stop loss should be set below the breakout volumetric bar. Our target is the higher boundary of the gap. The second scenario is resuming of the fall of the price and the breakout of this local minimum on increased volume and further fall of the price. In such case, we open short positions. Stop loss should be set above the breakout volumetric bar. The potential of the deal is around 150 pips. So for gold, we need to consider two scenarios for trading and in both directions, because it's really very hard to predict where the price will go. Also, let's take a look at the sentiment of the market. As you can see, the scenario for the euro is confirmed. The same is for the British pound. For the yen, still long positions are in priority, but you see that the indicator, the sentiment for this instrument is near 50-50. So we should be careful trading the yen, but still long positions, especially after the breakout of the resistance, are in priority. And for the gold, situation is also near 50-50, but from the sentiment we see that long positions should be in priority. But the same situation is for the yen. We can trade this instrument only after the breakout of the consolidation. So for this week, I think that the best deal is for the pound, because we have a strong uptrend and long positions are 100% in priority, but we need to get a good entry point. Other instrument, the euro, the yen and gold, also has good scenarios for trading, but only after appearance of additional signals. Especially they are breakouts of consolidations. So for today it's all. Thank you for watching. Hope this forecast will be useful for you. See you next week. Bye bye.